Welcome to the Natural Wig Store. This is where real women come to heal. It always starts with listening, with care, not questions. Every woman comes in with a story, and we take the time to hear it. Whether she's navigating hair loss from alopecia, stress, or surgery, our job isn't to judge. It's to help her feel like herself again. Here, every consultation is personal. We guide her through options with honesty and love. No pressure and no shame. Once we find the perfect piece, that's when the magic begins. Our trusted confidence cutters will trim and cut each wig or topper by hand. Not just for style, but for fit, for flow, and for dignity. Because this isn't just about looking good. It's about seeing yourself again and finally recognizing her. We work with our custom colored Valleja toppers and wigs and everything in between. Each piece is shaped to blend naturally, comfortably, with or without hair. Some women cry when they see the final results, and others just stare and smile. Because many of them, this is the first time in a long time they've felt like themselves again. This isn't just hair, this is healing. And this is what confidence looks like. Are you ready to feel like you again? Let's start with the consultation.